A warm welcome to all of you in this short course on the role of 3D printing in Industry 4.0. And I am Krishna Kashyap Singh, and I will be your guide throughout this course, and I will take you through each of the modules of the course. But before doing that, or before going to the introduction of the course, I would like to highlight that what is the importance of this course, the significance of this course that it can have in the modern world manufacturing. So, Industry 4.0 is basically related to the way things are manufacturing, the way things are being manufactured in the modern day scenario. And 3D printing is a cutting edge technology when it comes to manufacturing a product. There are multiple advantages of using 3D printing in the manufacturing scenario. So basically, 3D printing is one of the key enablers for Industry 4.0. And when I say Industry 4.0, then it basically means high tech manufacturing environment, which we often call as smart manufacturing, which is complemented by multiple technologies that we'll be learning in the course. There is a module for that as well. So, yes, I hope you enjoy this course. And after this course, you will have a know how of what is Industry 4.0 and how 3D printing is a key enabler in Industry 4.0. So, let's move ahead and go towards the introduction of the course. So the first module that we will be covering will be Introduction to Industry 4.0. And then we'll be learning about the various types of manufacturing techniques in the module Introduction to 3D printing. Then we will be learning about the various kinds of applications in the strategic and core sectors. So basically the used cases, we will be talking about the used cases in aerospace, defense, automotive, and other such sectors, medical. And we will also go through about the processing which is required for the data that you have to use throughout the 3D printing process. Basically, 3D printing has got a process flow that starts from CAD data and ends up as a physical part on a 3D printer. So, how the data flows, all that we'll be learning in this module. And then we will be talking about a very interesting concept called as digital inventory, which is a game changer for the supply chain industry. And it is it is a key enabler for manufacturing on demand. And we'll be talking about the multiple concepts surrounding or revolving around digital inventory. Then we will learn the value addition techniques using 3D printing. So when we are manufacturing a component through 3D printing, what are the various or different kind of value additions that can be done? We will talk about them in this module. We will also learn about the various kind of with the various kind of materials uh, which are used in 3D printing, such as polymer, metal, ceramics. Then we will talk about the design methodology used for additive manufacturing, the design techniques, which comes under a broad spectrum of design for AM. So we'll be talking about the most commercially used techniques in design for AM area or design for AM forte. Uh, Definitely, any manufactured component in the engineering world has to go through a quality assurance cycle. So this quality assurance cycle is not very much different from the conventional manufacturing techniques, but we will be talking about this once again by the end of this course from the perspective of 3D printing or additive manufacturing. So I hope you enjoy all the courses, and there are certain things that I would like to uh, tell you before moving further. Uh, After every module, we will be going through one set of assessment questions which you have to answer. This assessment questions are a sort of self-assessment questions which will help you understanding, which will help you in realizing your grip on each and every module. And by the end of this course, we will be doing a hands-on exercise, which you will be able to do sitting at your home from your laptop. I will guide you for that. We will help you in the complete procedure. And we will also have a live Q&A session by the end of this course, where you can ask all your questions, doubts, which you uh, feel that have not been answered in this course. And definitely, even after this course, you can reach out to me, you can reach out to the website, you can definitely seek help. So once you have done all of this, once you have cut, uh, restart. 3, 2, 1. So once you have gone through all these modules, we will talk about, uh, you will be able to uh, realize these particular learning outcomes, which I will be talking about now. Uh, Comprehend the concept of Industry 4.0, identify various 3D printing methods and where they are being used in the modern manufacturing world, explore real world applications. What are the real world applications where you can take the advantage of 3D printing? And then, uh, what are the different kind of materials which are used in 3D printing, and what would be the quality control aspects associated with each of these materials? So, that was all about the introduction. Now let's start learning, and let's meet in the first module of the course, Introduction to Industry 4.0.